Today I'm going to talk about how and why I freeze tofu. Open your package and drain off any water. This is firm tofu. That's all my store happened to have, but I do this with other tofu as well. Now I work on a towel and I'm getting off the liquid. So before I cut it and freeze it, I think about what would I want to use it for. So one thing that I want to use it for is I want to use it for my breakfast sandwiches. I'm going to cut a slice that's a little more than a 1/4 inch thick. When you freeze tofu, more water is going to come out of it. So I'm just sitting it on here, collecting the water. The other thing that I might be making with this tofu is something that I would want to cube. So I'm going to slice those. And another thing I might want to make are breaded tofu sticks. So I'm keeping those things in mind. I'm going to dry it a little bit again. This is going to be if I wanted to make sticks. And this is if I would want cubes. The cubes I might put in stir fry or in soup. So again, I'm going to want to dry them a little bit. So these are for my tofu breakfast sandwiches. Next, I put them on a parchment-lined cookie sheet. And this is what I will freeze them on for right now. I take my cubes, I separate them. And the reason that I freeze the tofu is I just can't use it up before it goes bad. So this way I'm not wasting any of it. At this point I'm going to stick it in the freezer and let each of these get individually frozen. And then I'll show you my next step. The tofu is frozen, so I'm going to loosen it up. This is what it looks like. It changes a little bit when it freezes. So I'm going to put these strips on the bottom. Oh, it looks like 2 of them are going to have to go on the top. And I'm reusing the parchment paper to help separate it. And now I'm going to stack on the cubes. With the layers separated, I'll be able to pull out the amount I need and what shape type I was looking for. There you have it, frozen tofu. When you take it out and you thaw it, pat it dry and then just use it however you were planning on. Please like, subscribe, and share. See you next week.